welcome back. Thanks for watching today. So in today's video, we're gonna be focusing on my bedroom. I am going to be doing an extreme bedroom makeover. I've been wanting to do this for a while now and I just hadn't got around to it. But you guys, if you've been following, you know, recently I redid my office for the second time. And the vibe I was going for was cozy, relaxing, inviting, warm. And I really loved the aesthetic that I did in my office, and I wanted to incorporate that into my bedroom now because I just really love it and it's just so inviting. That's the reason for the bedroom makeover. We're gonna be going from a glam styled bedroom to a cozy, warm, and inviting bedroom. So we're gonna go step by step in this process and this journey, and we're gonna jump right in. If you are new here, my name is Angel and I share everything lifestyle on this channel. I would love to have you part of the family, so don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Like I said, the style I'm going for is cozy, warm, relaxing, and inviting. It's no certain, I guess, style. It'll have a little bit of boho, a little bit of, I guess, chic, but it's more just about making it cozy and relaxing for me and incorporating things that I really like, adding in some greenery and all of that. Now, I'm on an extreme budget, just like I was with the office. I told you guys about that. It was a extreme office makeover, but on a really tight budget. And the same with the bedroom. I am on a budget. And so the things I'm gonna be showing you today and incorporating are gonna be super inexpensive, easy, and budget friendly. So I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some before shots of how the bedroom looked. We're doing my whole bedroom. My bedroom is really big. We have the bedside and then we also have a sitting area in the room. So this is the before shots. Now the first thing I'm gonna start with is always my bed. For me, I feel like my bed is always like my centerpiece. It's like the first thing that gets people attention. They look directly at your bed. So for me, I want to go ahead and get my bed made over and changed out because that's just my centerpiece, and then I kind of go and decorate around my bed. So we're gonna start with the bed. And as you guys can see, I still have spring decor in my bed. So I have not changed out my decor since the spring, and you know what? It's okay. And you know, I have learned that, you know, being a mom and an entrepreneur, which is like a mompreneur they call us, just, you know, trying to manage your household and work and all of that, it's okay to not be able to do everything you want to do. And so I hadn't got around to changing out my spring decor, and you know what? It's okay. Don't beat yourself up. It's okay. Like you know, can't do everything. So we're going to go ahead and get this spring decor out, and I'm gonna start with the bed. So we're gonna be, I love quilts. I am a quilt girl. I like lightweight quilts. They're easy to wash. They're great with kids. They're great with dogs. And so I've used quilt for years, and these are very, again, lightweight. So I'm gonna be changing out these quilts for a different color, a white one. And I got some pillow covers. We're gonna change out the pillow covers for the bed too. And you will notice that I do have a heated blanket layered on my bed. I've done a video of how I create a winter bed and make it nice and warm, but that's one way. So you will see that when we remove the blanket. I'm gonna go ahead and change out everything. I'm gonna show you the colors that I got. So these are the colors that I'm gonna be switching out. This is a new quilt color. It's like a cream. It's like the same texture as those. I told you I really love these guys. These are so great. They're, like I said, lightweight. You can use them in the summer, the winter. They are easily washable, and I've had this one for years. It doesn't even look like it. So you can wash it 1,000 times. I'm gonna be changing out my pillows with these like boho style pillows. I love the different textures. I really believe when you incorporate different textures, it just adds extra layers to your home. So I have these cream, like they're made of velvet, but it looks like a sweater. So I really love those. And then few boho styles. Again, we're going for cozy and warm. And then I'm gonna layer the bed with this fur throw blanket as well. So yeah, let's get this all changed out. Alright guys, so here's the bed, which I really like. It's so warm and inviting. I incorporated creams, some auburns, and black and white. So now that the bed is done, I'm going to go ahead and do the wall now. And for the wall, I got some artwork that I'm gonna be switching out. I'm gonna switch out those glam pieces, as you can see them. Switch those out, and I'm gonna switch the top piece out there. I got some things that I'm gonna print out and put in some wood frames, because we're gonna add some wood elements in here as well. And then I possibly am gonna add some vinyl stickers to the back wall. We'll kind of play with it and see. I'll show you what I got. Alright guys, so I got this artwork that I got in black, and so together they built a life they love. And I'm gonna try to put those alongside the beds here on the walls. I'm actually hang those, they're more narrow, so I'm gonna see how they look hung. Alright guys, so I got the two paintings up. I will link everything below in the description box. I do need new lamps. I didn't get them this time, but I'll put them in the part 2 video for this. I'm gonna go ahead and change out this now. And let me show you. I have these wooden frames. So I have 4 of them. I'm gonna turn them the landscape and hang the 4. I got 4 of them. We're gonna do 4 above the bed up there. I'm gonna go print out something to put on the inside. You guys know I'm a DIYer, and we're gonna put these in the frame, and we're gonna put them above the bed. So these are my printouts. I printed these on the computer, and I'm gonna stick those in the frame, and they're gonna go up above there. Okay guys, so here's how the artwork is looking. I really am loving it. So I think I'm gonna do one more thing on the walls. I bought these vinyl stickers. I'm gonna put them on the wall. They're like irregular circles. I'm gonna stick it on the wall because I kind of want to make it an accent wall. And so I'll see how it looks. If I don't like it, I'll just remove them. They're easily removable. But yeah, I love how this looks. It's so cozy, right? I love adding in the touches of auburn and cream and blacks. So I'm gonna do the wall and we'll kind of go from there to see how I'm feeling it. Okay guys, so that's how it looks with the dots. I like it. I don't know, I'm gonna have to sleep on that, y'all. But like, you see how it looks. So if you have a room, you can kind of get an idea. I wanted mine spacey. You can do them close if you want. I didn't want mine close, but I kind of wanted just a little accent wall, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in over here. I'm gonna add in the plants and a chair from my office that I used to have in there. And then I'm gonna add another plant on this side with a basket, and you'll see that, and change out a few things on my nightstands, add some plants. So that's the bedroom, and added the plant. There's Grace. Now we're gonna move to the shades here and the sofa here, and we're gonna change out the pillow covers and add some decor up here on this ottoman. Gotta forgive the baby gear. You guys know we have a baby. This ottoman was in one of my previous videos and I really love it. It has hidden drawers. I showed you guys all of that, and then you can put baskets under there, which I got baskets of toys, but you can check that video out. Alright guys, so you see the final touches, the final result. I love the change. It's more inviting, it's more warm and cozy, which was what I was going for. So I am gonna do a part 2 in a few weeks, and some things I will come back and incorporate is I want to change out my lamps. So I'm gonna probably change my lamps out, add in some more decor on my nightstands and my dressers, you know, like some ceramic vases and some pieces like that, and some things for my candles. I also want to get some pot holders for my plants. The baskets are pretty, but I want them to be lifted up higher, and these plants tend to like fall more like sideways because they're so like heavy, I guess. So the pot stand will like make it more stable so it can stay in place. But yeah, I will come back and do a part 2 in a few weeks, so stay tuned for that and incorporate a few more things in here. But I really love the change. I like the stickers. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna have to sleep on it, you guys. You know, when you start decorating, don't feel like you have to make permanent decisions. That's why I did stickers. I love vinyl. It was either gonna be the vinyl stickers or contact paper, which I did contact paper in Ace room. I do contact paper in every room, guys. I've done it in my kitchen, my office. If you followed me for years, you know I'm a huge fan of contact paper. I love my paint too, but I only use paint when I know it's something permanent or something that I really just want to be like bold and I have the time to do, because painting, of course, you got to put forth the time and effort, which we've done a lot of painting, so it's not like a headache. I love painting. It's actually very therapeutic for me. But with selling a house, you just got to be very careful about what you paint, the colors you paint, especially if you want to sell it and not have to put more work or money into repainting it to get it sellable. I talked about that in another video. But yeah, so just be careful with paint and the colors you choose, and make sure, you know, either you're going to come back and repaint it if you want to sell it, or, you know, if you're in an apartment or whatever. But I just find that contact paper and stickers are more temporary and easier. And having a baby, I just don't have the time that I used to have. I used to do a lot of painting and DIY work, but I just don't have a lot of that time now. So I did the stickers. I do like it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments below. Tell me how you like it, with or without. I still really don't know which one I like best. I said I'll sleep on it and see how I feel over the next few weeks. How if I don't like them, I'll just remove them. But you know, you can get a glimpse of how they look. I think it'll be really cute too for like a teen's room or something. But you can also do them really close together and do different colors, like for a baby room. I think that'd be cute. Just throwing that out there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you like before or after. Also let me know what you think about the stickers, and I will see you guys in my next video.